It is, I think, Thursday morning. Yeah, it's gotta be because I had a breakdown Sunday. Long story short, 2 days later, we got them hoses changed that were super inconvenient. Then Wednesday I bought some more land. I gotta go brush hog. Maybe I get some videos of me doing that, but we're gonna grab 2 today, and then road restrictions come on at midnight, so we'll probably be done. See you guys out there. Well, I managed to get one. I'm here. We're gonna get unloaded by this big doggy over here, but unfortunately for me, my loader is currently leaking and worse than it was before now. So there's a big puddle of oil on top of my wood. Definitely not gonna go back and get another one because I know what'll happen is I'll end up blowing the end of that hose off or something. I don't know. I'm so over fixing this thing. Today is supposed to be our road restrictions going at midnight anyway, so today will be our last day for a while, but yeah, always something. Little update. I went back to the house. Well, actually at Sappy I checked out that oil leak. I think it'll hold on long enough to make one more load. It's just dripping now, and then I'm gonna go back and grab one more for Sappy. I kind of wasted a bunch of time, but it'll be all right. So I'll go back and grab one more, and if I'm lucky, I'll be home by 5:36. It's my wife's birthday today, so I'm sure she'll be thrilled about that. But you know what? You gotta get the hay when the sun shines. See you guys at the landing. Man, oh man, we got her going on now.
not it. What do you do? What now? It's over again. 4 lines, wait, no. Well, wait, see if I take more? Not again. I just forget, I'm circling off. These little fucking fucking customers. If it wasn't the last day of hauling, I'd probably take the rest of that pile. But then some road restrictions are going on tonight at midnight. The DOT is out like crazy, and I'm not trying to be heavy, but I just don't want to deal with them. Anybody that's ever dealt with the DOT knows they want you, they got you. No matter what you say, do, have right, don't have right, they want you, they'll find something. Guaranteed. These ones out of here. It sounds like pinching my ladder again. No, first time I got. Yeah, wait, let me guess something out here. Well, I'm gonna guess this is probably enough. Maple's usually heavy. I'd rather be light than heavy, especially, you know, with what we got going on. Hey, I bet you this ain't even 100,000. But you know what? I'd rather haul light, not get in trouble than give her the old super stack and get yanked. Don't really like the way that loader's sitting, but it'll be okay, I guess. There's plenty of other guys I've seen today that are trying to get their last couple loads in that are crazy heavy. Okay, what's that? Not much. I learned the hard way, as I do per usual, but always make sure your chain's good and secured, because I didn't. Imagine that. Took a corner and this thing caught that, so that's all messed up. Ripped it off. That was super fun. But it's a log truck, not one of them pretty little flatbenders that runs up and down the road. It ain't gonna be show quality. Hating on them guys. I mean, I love them trucks. They're beautiful, but it never lasts. So here you wreck it. All right, heading to the mill. Made it to the mill, unscathed, unproductive, the way we like it. It is 134. Like, I don't know, like the 5th or 6th truck in line or something. This guy in front of me here just about ran me over. Should try to get in front of me, you know. It saves so much time. But, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll get some shots inside. It's kind of wet out, which isn't ideal because I took my boots off and, put my Crocs on because I love Crocs. If you know me personally, you know Crocs are my gig. But yeah, we'll see what it's like. If I'm in a spot that's super busy, I'll get out and record some stuff. But if I'm first in line, I'm trying to get home. It's my wife's birthday today. And see you guys in there maybe.